Are you all still buying a can of beans when you can easily just get a bag and save maybe 3, 4, 5 times the amount of money that you spend on a can? Listen, you might find beans a bit complicated to make, but let me show you how to get beans right and easy and delicious every time with these instant pot methods. So the left side here, all these beans were cooked from soaked at least 6 hours, and all the beans over here were cooked straight from dry. And let's have a look at our black-eyed peas first. Now you can see that on the left side, the soaked one, the beans that are just holding their shape a bit more. Like they're not as explodey as the beans that are cooked back from dry. And that's kind of consistent with what I found when I've made my black-eyed peas Indian lobia dish. And that does seem to happen more often than when you cook it from soaked, and I can kind of see why. And a similar thing you would see for the case of the chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great example on why you should soak it rather than cook it from dry. Now this one, the dried one, I first cooked it for 40 minutes, but it was still kind of firm. I don't like my chickpeas firm. They were edible, great for a salad, but too firm for my liking. So 5 more minutes gave the perfect texture, but you can see the beans are all explodey. But this, cooked after being soaked, they have that perfect shape, but they're completely soft as well, and you saw that earlier as well. But then you come to red kidney beans. And here's where you can see absolutely no difference. These ones were cooked straight from dried. These ones were cooked after being soaked. And if I take 1 grain of each, they both look beautiful and they both are pretty soft. This one would have to be a tie. You can make it either way you want. They're going to be delicious. And then this one is pretty close as well. And I don't really see much of a difference besides maybe the color, which is rather strange because there's really not much difference in what I put in it. It was always 2 to 3 cloves and some salt. But even here, the beans have just held up really well, and there's not really much to say. They both are nice and soft. They've held their shape pretty well. So another example where you can make it soaked, or if you really want, you can cook it from dry. I don't see why you would not cook it from dry, because it just turns out the same as wasting 6 hours to soak it. And it would be great if you could just cook everything straight from dry. There are some cases, as you can see, where actually soaking it results in a better texture and a better final product than just dry cooking it. This month I'm doing a lot more of Instant Pot recipes, and if you have one lying around, take it out. If you followed along with these bean recipes, then you probably have lots of beans left over. And I have lots of recipes with beans, with recipes made in the Instant Pot, so you can really keep it busy because it is very helpful and useful. Or you can just use your stovetop, and I'm going to link all these great bean and grain recipes in a nice playlist for you, and I'll see you all again on the next one. Bye all.